Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we simplify tech for you. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change your shipping address on a Fashion Nova order. Whether you moved or just need to update your details, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Step 1. First, open your browser and head over to the fashionnova.com. Once the website loads, log into your account using your credentials. If you're not logged in, you won't be able to access the necessary options. Step 2. After logging in, locate the profile icon at the top right corner of the page and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select My Info. This will take you to the page where all your personal details are stored. Step 3. Now scroll down to the addresses section. Here you will see an option to either edit an existing address or add a new one. If you're adding a new address, click on Add New. A form will pop up where you can input all your details like name, street address, city postal code, and phone number. Step 4. Once you have filled out the form, don't forget to check the box that says Set as Default. If this is going to be a primary shipping address, finally click on Add Address or Save, depending on what's displayed. And that is it. Your new shipping address is now saved and ready for use on your next Fashion Nova order. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Got any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.